Understanding the phrase, take a hike, a beginner's guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, to take a hike. We'll explore its meanings and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your English skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. To take a hike literally means to go for a long walk, usually through the countryside or in nature. This is a great activity for exercise and enjoying the outdoors. For example, I'm planning to take a hike in the mountains this weekend. In this sense, it's a straightforward, literal usage of the words. However, to take a hike is more often used in a figurative way. It's an informal phrase that means to go away or leave, especially when used as a somewhat rude or dismissive command. For example, if someone is bothering you, you might say, "Why don't you take a hike?" This implies that you want them to leave you alone. When using the phrase figuratively, it's important to consider the tone and context, as it can be seen as impolite or confrontational. It's typically used in casual or informal settings among friends or in situations where a bit of humor or light sarcasm is acceptable. It's not appropriate for formal or professional situations. Let's see some dialogues to better understand the use of take a hike. 1. Casual use among friends. 2. Hey, I can't decide if I should wear these shoes or the other ones. 3. B. Honestly, they both look great. Stop worrying and take a hike to clear your mind. 4. As a dismissive command. 5. A. I keep getting annoying calls from telemarketers. 6. B. Next time, just tell them to take a hike. And that's a wrap on the phrase, to take a hike. We hope this video has helped clarify its meanings and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't hesitate to take a hike through the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.